is Farah Kim from WinPure, your go-to data quality management platform with AI data match and entity resolution. I am super excited to share with you today our annual data quality report that highlights the key challenges organizations face when it comes to managing their data quality. This report is based on over 100 conversations we've had with prospective buyers and customers who came to us with some serious challenges with their data quality. Ready? Let's dive in. The report highlights some of the biggest data quality challenges businesses are facing today. It addresses the ballooning crisis of dirty, duplicate, and disparate data, the projects and business initiatives that prompted teams to prioritize data quality, the technologies that customers are looking for to tackle dirty data problems efficiently, and the common pain points shared by customers across industries. Dirty data was never a threat. It was an inconvenience for sure, but it was never the end of the world. Fast forward to 2024, it is a full-blown crisis. Our research indicated over 30% of businesses report that bad data directly impacts their revenue, and nearly 70% admit that their decision-making suffers because of inaccuracies. What's driving this crisis? We think it's the sheer volume and complexity of today's data. Whether it's duplicate records, inconsistent formats, or siloed systems, businesses are drowning in dirty data, and it's derailing critical projects like AI initiatives and system migrations. Businesses are realizing that ignoring their data quality challenges is no longer an option. So, beyond this nerve-wracking dirty data crisis, our research uncovered some eye-opening insights into what businesses are really up against. Let's see what they are. 70% of customers stated they're struggling with duplicate and inconsistent data, making it one of the most pressing concerns. Over 50% state difficulty in consolidating data from various systems made it challenging to get a unified view of the data. 65% of customers state outdated data due to years of neglect, lack of consistent cleaning routine, and the absence of governance frameworks made it impossible to resolve the challenge effectively. 65% also report they use manual methods such as scrubbing dirty data using Excel or VLOOKUPs to match duplicates, affecting accuracy and efficiency. Lastly, 48% of customers report regulatory pressures like GDPR compliance or regional laws was still a prominent concern, particularly for businesses handling large volumes of sensitive data. Phew, that was a host of mind-boggling challenges. The question is, what's the solution? Well, lucky for you, we've got some great customers who actually know what they want in terms of fixing and managing their data quality. Let's take a look at what they expect from modern data quality technologies. Customers are seeking fuzzy match and entity resolution tools to handle complex data quality challenges with precision and speed. A whopping 85% of businesses want solutions that take the manual labor out of data cleaning, freeing up valuable time and resources. Around 75% of customers emphasize the need for tools that can adapt to their unique business requirements, ensuring the solution fits seamlessly into their workflows. And lastly, long-term success requires tools that help enforce data governance and meet compliance requirements, something more businesses are prioritizing as regulations grow stricter. If there's one key takeaway from this report, It's the fact that data quality is no longer a technical challenge. It is a business need. Our customer insights has not only just given us, but I think the whole industry, a deeper understanding of the challenges that still prevails in organizations today. And this report has helped us prepare for the future of data quality management. Download our full report to see key challenges with data quality management. It's packed with actionable insights and strategies that can help you resolve these issues effectively and efficiently. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you liked the insights that we shared in the report. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and hit that bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. Until next time, here's to making your data work for you. Bye-bye. Take care.